Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make TikTok video using Canva. So for this what you need to do is go to the start button, then you have to search for the Google Chrome option from here, and once you are in the Google Chrome you have to search for the Canva from here, canva.com, and if you click on the canva.com it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded according to your internet speed. Here you can see that the Canva is loading accordingly, and once you are in the Canva, what you need to do is go and click on the create option from here, and from here you have to click on the videos, and then you have to search for the TikTok from here. Here you can see you are looking for the TikTok video, and if you click on the TikTok video it will simply create a TikTok video, and here you can see it is loading another page to make your TikTok video from here. And by this time, if you would like to download a video for free, what you can do is always go to the pixabay.com. It is the most preferable website because here you will get mostly the free videos from here. So if you search here the TikTok from here, so we're looking for the TikTok, and let's see what it comes out. And here you can see there are so many options here, so let's go for the TikTok videos from here. And if you click on the TikTok videos, here you can see that here you will get lots of options from here. You can just download one of them as you want, and then if you could by this time here you can see that the video we are going to edit is already here. So you can see just that there are so many options that you can just choose. So for example, I would like to choose a video from here, and here you can see you're looking for the videos, and let's say I would go for this one, and if you just drag on it, and here you can see the video is already here, and if you play it, and here you can see the video is already here. Now if you would like to add more text, then here you can go to the text option, then click on add a heading, and after that here you can see that write it hello, and also you can just add effects from here by clicking on the effects option from here, and also you can just choose the background also like this, and it is as simple as that. And here you can choose the color as well, the background color. So for example, I'd like to go for the blue one, and here you can see that the hello is already here. You can just reposition it according to your preferences. And also if you would like to add a audio or voiceover, so for that you can go to the browser and search for the voice over, then you have to just simply click on it, and after that you can go for the 11 labs option from here. There are so many options, but 11 labs is mostly preferable. And once you here in the 11 labs, what you can do is just simply paste it here, that the voice that you would like to give. So for example, you can type hello everyone, thank you very much. Here you can see you are typing thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. And after that here you can see that there are option of languages. You can see the English, Afrikaans, Arabic, Armenian, Assams, and many other options. So for example, there is Finnish option as well, there are French option, there are German option, and many other options from here. If you just simply click on play option from here, here you can see that the video is that the voiceover is generating. So basically if you would like to go and give a voiceover where your voice is not there, you just would like to make a voiceover with a AI, you can just use this one. And after you click on the play, if all things are good, then you can just simply click on download from here. After that, if you come back to the video, from the audio option, here you can see you will get the option of record voiceover, and also you will get the option of generate AI video, AI voice video as well. And also you can directly upload the video that you would like to use. So for example, I would like to go for the copyright free video audio from here, and here you can see there are so many audio. I'm just going for the 50-second of the Dark Tense trailer, and if you place it here, here you can see the audio is already placed here, and you can just expand it accordingly, or just decrease it or accordingly as well. And if you not click on play, here you can see the song will just play in behind. Also you can upload it by clicking on the upload option from here, by clicking on the audio, and here you can see that the option is here from the upload files. And if you click on the upload files, it will simply take you to your computer devices where you can directly upload your audio from there. Also you can add more videos. So if we go to the upload video that from your own computer. So for example, I would like to upload this one. Let's see it's uploaded or not. And here you can see a video is already uploading here. This is my own video that we would like to add in this video also for the TikTok video. Here you can see the video is uploading. It depends on your internet speed, the upload speed, and also it depends on your the file size as well. So here you can see the video is already uploading here. So if you when the video is uploaded, you can simply just drag it and place it to the plus icon from here. And let's see, since it's a MOV file, that's why it's taking much more time to get uploaded, as far as I know. And also you can just click on the also you can upload your images according to your preferences. So if you click on the upload yourself, then you can also get that. And if you click on the video option from here, you can see the animated option from here. This is the pop option, the slick option. You can just choose any effect that according to your preferences. Here you can see the chill option, the fade option, the ABC option, the pen option, the fade option. So for example, I'd like to go to the breathe option. Here you can see the thank you is coming out with breathe option now. And if you would like to use the tools as well, here is all the tools, and here is the projects. Here your projects will also show here. You can just take your projects from here as well. So here you can see my video is already here. So if I just click on it and click on the plus icon from here, and here you can see the video is already uploaded. So here you can see the video is already here. And if you click on the video, and there are two clips actually. In the middle of the clip, if you click on the add transition, here you can add the transition as well. Here you can see the circle vibe, the color vibe. And so if for example I would like to add a color vibe from here, so if you click on the color vibe, now if you play it, here you can see a transition will be added here. Here you can see the transition is here, and if you play it, and here you can see that the transition is also working perfectly. And the other thing you can do is go to the magic media, and here you can just upload just describe the images that you would like to create. So if you click on that and click on create option, then it will simply create an image for you. And the last thing that you can do is the audio that I showed you previously. In the audio option, you will get lots of audio option from here. So there all of the audio is copyright free from here. And also you can give the record voiceover from here by clicking on this. If you click on the record voiceover, you can simply record your voice from here. And after that, if you just record your voice, then you can just simply press on it. Also you can generate AI voice. If you click on the generate AI voice and just enter the text here that what kind of voice that you are wanting, then you can just simply it will make the audio here. In the select voice, you can just choose the voice that you would like to use. For example, it is choose to English. You can also choose the German, the Greek, the Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian, and other options as well. And after that, for example, I would like to give a normal text. Hello everyone, how are you doing, all of all? And if you can see, if you search for the how are you doing, all of you, and then if you click on enter, after that it will simply make a voiceover. So it is as simple as that, guys. That's how you can easily make your TikTok video using your Canvas. So thank you very much for watching this video.